Pop duo Jedward brought their unique brand of boundless energy to London this week. Intent on saving its residents from flying sharks.
Tell the Queen that there's going to be a Sharknado and she's going to get eaten, okay?
John and Edward Grimes were promoting Sharknado 3. Oh hell no.
Oh hell no. Oh hell no.
Funny, because that's how we felt about it too.
Whoa!
The movie is the latest installment in a series about a freak tornado that sucks sharks out of the ocean and into the sky. It stars David Hasselhoff and Tara Reid, and for some inexplicable reason, these two.
Edward, it's kind of hard to drive when you keep telling me where to go. I know how to drive a boat, yeah?
Jedward have also written and recorded the movie's theme song. Don't know about you, but personally, I can't wait. Honestly.
Ah! Get